That is a nice bed of white mammoth salsify. Here's more. There's a lot of food right there. There is a bed of parsnips. See the little, oh, that's a stinging nettle, so that'll be good to eat too. These are parsnips. Every one of these has got a big root under there. So that's going to be food soon. This is skirret. There's a big root system under here too I can eat. Right now I could pull it out, but I got a whole bunch in the fridge. And these are Chico edible burdock. And I can start digging those up pretty soon too. Eat the roots. And here is elephant garlic coming up. This garden is full of good stuff. More skirret over there. I got ramps planted on the end too, but because of that white metal roofing, that little bit of ground there is still froze yet. So it slows it down. Oh, and then here we didn't have this last year. There's garlic mustard. You can eat that too. And here we have a few garlics. I'll probably leave those grow because I got lots of garlic. I got more garlic than I could ever eat, I think, for the rest of the summer. And this is elephant garlic. You can see there was a bulb, there was a bulb, there was a bulb. Here's a bulb. It's one I missed pulling out last fall. I'm not sure when I'm putting this bed yet, but if I have to, I can transplant it. I've done it before. And here are my garlic beds right here. That one is doing exceptionally well. Last year I grew corn in there. You can see the corn roots yet. Never pulled them out. That is going to be one monster amount of garlic. No, I can't even remember what this crop is, but you can eat it right now. The leaves are edible. It tastes like a brassica, but it isn't. Funny, I can remember all these buckbegs that I found this winter scouting, but I can't remember where the plant is. The eagle way up there. We got a nice little batch of ramps coming up right here. I think I transplanted this here maybe 4, could be 5 years ago already. I put one bulb there. Kind of see there's a cluster here, cluster here, cluster here. These were all bulbs that divided probably. Maybe even like one divided here twice, and now this one's got 3 and that one's got 2. There's some more coming up. And we got some spring onions here. A little bit of garlic mixed in with it. And that's a potato onion that I must have missed last year. And last year I had an overabundance of spring onion bulbils and I just threw them in here. I didn't even plant them. I just threw them all in here just haphazardly. Put compost over the top. Look. There's little onions here. Some of them got uncovered for whatever reason. Just look at that. I'm gonna have a lot of spring onions. There are literally 1,000 of them in here. I didn't want to do the work of planting them all. I pulled this onion out for breakfast tomorrow. There's another nice cluster there. I'll grab that one too. These are all going to be some really nice, sweet onions here. It's not even April. Look at all that food right there. It took me all 15 seconds to pull 2 batches. It'll take me about 3 minutes to clean them. And probably half a minute to eat them. Then I can go about my day. First you see that I chopped off the roots. Then I peeled off the outer skin. And here is what we got. The prize. Here. That's not too dirty, is it? When I was a little kid, I think I was eating sand from the sandbox on a regular basis, so I don't think there's much difference. Oh, got a little kick. Normally they're sweeter. We got April, May, June, July, August, September, October. We got maybe even in November. At least 7 months, maybe 8. The weather cooperates. A fine eating ahead of me. There's even fine eating in winter because I'm figuring that game out too. So, thanks for watching.